Change is constant. It is inevitable in business. Success and failure are part of business journey. Some businesses have existed longer than others, and they will continue to exist. Irrespective of changes, these businesses have low failure rates and is backed by data. Most of these businesses date back to ancient times and have experienced several transitions with technological advancements. The goal of this video is to identify businesses with low failure rates backed with data. I have identified businesses that have the lowest rate of failure. This is all supported by data. It is valid to look for businesses with low failure rates, especially when trying to set up a new business. According to the US Bureau of Labor and Statistics, 20% of small businesses in US fail within the first year of operation. This may sound awful. Well, in this video, I'm going to review to you the business that has low failure rate backed with data. This is coming directly from secured source and trusted data. If you're looking for solid businesses that has a very high success rate, then you are in the right place. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to discover more on businesses that has low failure rates. Here is the list of business ventures that will always continue to thrive. Food business. One of the basic necessities of man is food. Food business is one of the most lucrative business, classic with amazing low failure rates and is backed by data. Consumer never cease to exist. The branches ranges from agriculture, food processing, and restaurants. Though different branches may be subjected to different regulations, neither has any serious barrier to entry. This is one such business that is free from restriction and is encouraged by most governments around the world. Expenditure on food are dependent on disposable income, but still account for a major chunk of an individual's spending. Real estate. In ancient times, kings and queens would lease land to their ministers, followers, and ask them to develop it. Real estate is a land development and any permanent structure like home or improvement attached to the land. It is still one of the most lucrative business, minding the developer's point of view or the government involved. Development is split into two major components, residential and commercial. The residential is the development of land with the intent to sell to individuals for private use. The commercial real estate is the development of land with the intent for business to conduct their operations. Commercial properties are generally more expensive than residential, purely because of their ability to generate high level of revenue from the premises. Real estate development is a powerful business sector with influence on the economy to cause shifts between the boom and fall. This is an excellent investment option for anyone who is looking for businesses that has low failure rate. Needless to say, the modification in technology, this business is sure to exist for as long as human lives. Agricultural businesses. Agricultural businesses are highly resilient and tend to have low failure rates. This encompasses many different types of businesses, including farming and a host of agro-related businesses. Agricultural businesses enjoy an awesome 80% success rate. So if you have an interest in farming or other agricultural related business, this is a perfect business with low failure rates. Pharmacy. Pharmacy is a profitable business with eligibility, and the license is not that difficult to acquire. And for those who understand how bulk order and how price negotiation works, it is a wonderful business that never fails. from over-the-counter medicine to daily essentials. Today, you can find a range of products at your local pharmacies. It is great investment with low failure rates backed by data. With an average of $500 to $10,000 investment cost, 50 to 60 to hire a licensed pharmacy with average return of $500,000 per year. Transportation. A very good business in logistics sector is transportation. Whether it is the movement of goods or people, transportation has become part of the modern lifestyle. Transportation business can fall under product delivery, travel across the globe to meet your friends, or take a cab to work. All of this is possible because transportation exists as a business. The interdependency of various other businesses with transportation business has allowed for innovation, which helped various economies to add job, expertise, and value to their businesses. For example, food deliveries. When food tech grew, it opened doors for transport companies to partner with outlets to deliver food to their clients and customers at their doorstep. The expansion in one business sector assists the other business sector. The way we transport goods and services has continued to change. Be rest assured that transportation business is here to stay. Fashion. One of the basic necessities of man is clothing, and that is a tiny fraction of what fashion is as a business. This includes clothing and accessories. There is something in it for everyone, from head to toe. One of our innate desires as humans is to look good and present ourselves in a manner that impresses our peers. And for this reason, fashion as an industry is one of the fastest growing industries in the world. With the emergence of e-commerce, the fashion business has taken large strides in making the customer experience more relaxed and friendly. And with the ongoing innovations in AI and AV, large players like H&M are moving into virtual experience, making this a highly profitable business, even in the metaverse. Event business is another business that has unavoidable social need of man. Human beings are social animals, and whether it is joy or grief, we tend to share it with those close to us. The fact remains that there are activities, events, and occasions to celebrate, and the event business always flourishes. Birthdays, funeral, baby shower, parties, corporate events, weddings. All this is never going to stop, and with the growth of the industry, various changes are coming with new technology to make the process of event planning and organizing a matter of click on the tip of our fingers. Financial service. After God, next thing is money. Finance is an absolute must for everything. Ever since the introduction of money business has become simple yet attractive business to engage in. Though the overall game of the financial service has expanded, there is no doubt that it will continue to evolve into the future. This is a business that attracts risk takers, those who understand and analyze the risk assessment and strategy for change. They are at the helm of this industry. Financial services are linked to every other business in one way or the other, and this is what makes it a business that will always continue to exist. Everything we do as human functions well, all because of money. Energy, an absolute must for every individual, city, or country. The energy business is a pillar for many economies in the world. The demand and supply of energy dictate the rise and fall of any economy and other commodities. Prices only goes to show its dominance as an essential. Each time the price of energy fluctuates, there is a build-up of inflation in some parts of the world, And for this very reason, many countries have been exploring alternative energy sources to regular fossil fuel-based options. Some countries around the world are dependent on fossil fuel-based energy sources. To add to this, energy trading is also a business that will never run out of time. Not only do these businesses act as broker to smaller deals, it's also a point of contact for those interested in investing in energy as a commodity. Telecommunication. Telecommunication is among the most powerful industries. Businesses operating in telecommunication space have seen growth over the last 2 decades. With the rise of the internet and globalization, the connectivity has become unparalleled. The fact that the innovations in AI are making the data requirements higher than ever before, and with a lot of our daily life moved online, the shine over telecommunication cannot be overemphasized. Though this is an industry with highest barrier to entry, it is safe to say that a business that manages to enter and operate within this industry will have low failure rates. The hospitality industry, hotels, resorts, inn and various kinds of accommodation providers has made their mark in the growth of the economy around the world. This business is a great investment in terms of growth. It adds value to the locality it operates in. Perhaps these factors makes it a business that will always prevail. Sure, there are other businesses too which will always continue to exist, but these are the top on my list. These businesses has proven to be worth investing in and exploring, with a strong capability to adapt to changes. Their impact on globalization is undeniable. It is not just their dominance that made them great business idea, but also how they have affected our lives positively. Irrespective of which one you plan on getting into, conduct your research, speak with people in that industry, and conduct a visible feasibility study to determine if it is your best shoot. Make sure to have an alternative plan and do not hesitate to fall back on it when the need arises. Check the playlist of my video on how to make money online and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye.